Morning students, welcome back to science class. As you know, we are doing the chapter 5. Short question answers are done. Today we are going to do the long question answers of the chapter. Please get ready along with the fair notebook. After the short question answer, let's write the first long question answers. Instructions are same, that there is no need to look into the screen. Just listen to me and write down carefully in neat and clean handwriting. Let's start our work. First question is, give difference between acids and bases. Give difference between acids and bases. Right answer. First of all, give the heading acids. Underline the heading hyphen. From the next line, point 1. Acids heading should be there. Then underline the heading hyphen. Point 1 in the acid. Acids are sour in taste. Acids are sour in taste. Full stop. Point 2 from next line. All acids are soluble in water. Point 3. Acid have pH, P small h capital, less than 7. Acid have pH less than 7. Point 4. Acids are not slippery, SLIPPERY, not slippery in nature. Full stop. Point 5. For example, hydrochloric acid, citric acid, etc. Hydrochloric acid, citric acid, etc. Hope you all have done. Now from next line, give the heading bases. Underline the heading and then give hyphen. Point 1 from next line. Bases are bitter in taste. Full stop. Point 2. All bases are not soluble in water, comma, water soluble bases are called alkalis. I am repeating this point, listen carefully. All bases are not soluble in water, comma, water soluble bases are called alkalis, ALKALIES, alkalis. Point 3. Bases have pH more than 7. Full stop. Point 4. Bases are slippery in nature. Bases are slippery in nature. Point 5 from next line. For example, sodium hydroxide, comma, calcium hydroxide, etc. Sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, etc. Hope you all have done the first question in neat and clean handwriting. Let's start second question. What are products formed in the neutralization reaction? Explain neutralization reaction with the help of activity. I'm repeating the question. What are products formed in the neutralization reaction? Question mark. Explain neutralization reaction with the help of an activity. Full stop. Start writing answer. The products formed in neutralization reaction are salt and water with the evolution, EVOLUTION, evolution of heat. Full stop. From the next line, write down this line. Neutralization reaction is a reaction between an acid and a base to form salt and water with evolution of heat. From the next line, give the heading activity. Point 1. There are 7 points in the activity. Point 1. Take 5 ml of dilute hydroxide in a test tube. SODIUM HYDROXIDE, oxide, hydroxide. Point 2. Add 2-3 drops of phenolphthalein, PHENOL, PHTHALEIN, phenolphthalein. Add 2-3 drops of phenolphthalein. Point 3. The solution turns pink. Point 4. Now add dilute hydrochloric acid using a dropper and keep stirring, STIRRING, keep stirring the test tube, full stop. Point 5. Continuously add dilute hydrochloric acid till the pink color disappear. Point 6. The disappearance of pink color is the indication that the neutralization reaction between sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid is complete. I am repeating this point. The disappearance of pink color is the indication that the neutralization reaction between sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid is complete. Point 7, the last point. Touch the test tube after the reaction, it feels hot as heat is evolved, EVOLVED, evolved means released. Heat is evolved during the reaction. Let's do next question. C question. An unknown indicator turns green in sodium hydroxide solution, full stop. Name the indicator, full stop. Also tell what color does it show in an acidic solution. Also tell what color does it show in an acidic solution. Start writing answer. Name of the indicator is China rose. As sodium hydroxide is a base and China rose indicator turns green in the basic solution. From the next line, write down, in acidic solution, it turns into dark pink or magenta color. In acidic solution, it turns into dark pink or magenta color. Full stop. Now last question. Distinguish between natural acids and mineral acids. Full stop. Give few examples of each. Start writing answer. First of all, give the heading natural acids. Underline the heading, give hyphen. Point 1 in natural acids. The acids which are obtained from natural sources like plants and animals are called natural acid. Point 2. These acids are weak acids. Point 3. They are not corrosive in nature. CORROSIVE, corrosive in nature. Full stop. Point 4. They are safe to consume. Full stop. Point 5. For example, citric acid, CITRIC, citric acid, acetic acid, ACETIC, acetic acid, comma, lactic acid, LACTIC, lactic acid, etc. From the next line, give the heading mineral acids. Underline the heading, give hyphen. The acids, point 1, the acids which are obtained from inorganic compounds are called mineral acids. Full stop. Point 2, mineral acids are strong acids. Point 3, they are highly corrosive in nature. Point 4, they cannot be consumed because they are corrosive, so we cannot consume them. They cannot be consumed. Point 5, for example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, comma, nitric acid, etc. Hydrochloric acid, comma, sulfuric acid, comma, nitric acid, etc. Our long question answers are completed. In the next video, we will start our next chapter. Till then, complete this chapter in a very neat and clean handwriting in the fair notebook and submit me the work.